Hello everyone, if you are looking for a quality laptop and you want it in your budget, you are at the right place. We present you the Chuwi FreeBook Yoga laptop model for 2024, which comes with a 13.5-inch display with support for touch and pen input, 360-degree hinge that allows you to use this laptop as a tablet, and a relatively compact design. The notebook has an aluminum chassis that measures 8mm at the thinnest part and weighs just over 1300 grams. So let's check out this Chuwi FreeBook N100 video review. After the excellent 10.5-inch MiniBook X from Chuwi, which we reviewed a few months ago, today we received its bigger brother, the Chuwi FreeBook, which comes with the same Intel Celeron N100 processor, touchscreen option and a 360-degree folding option, after which it turns into the tablet. The Chuwi FreeBook N100 is available for purchase on Amazon and on a Chuwi website. This price will get you a versatile machine with a DDR5, 12GB of RAM and 500 and a 12GB of SSD storage like the one we have today in the review. The FreeBook is a convertible laptop with a nearly 360 degrees of hinge range, allowing the lid to fold all the way back to become a tablet. The build quality is impressive, especially considering this price range. It has a frame made entirely of silver-colored aluminum alloy. The screen frame is solid and robust and shows no signs of bending even under the repeat stress. The hinge is carefully constructed, providing a smooth experience when opening and closing the laptop. It maintains the right amount of friction, ensuring it doesn't feel loose. I absolutely love the display. It's one of the standout features of this laptop. The quality is certainly impressive, with vibrant colors and excellent brightness. It's a 3:2 aspect ratio screen with unusual resolution but extremely good quality. It should be a higher refresh rate, but considering this price range, I shouldn't be too criticized. The brightness is extremely strong because I never use it above 13%. This 13.5-inch 2K screen has a quite thin bezels. It is equipped with a 2256 by 1504 definition screen with a 100% sRGB coverage, which provides you with a superior visual experience. The 3:2 aspect ratio design also helps increase productivity due to the larger display area. The touchscreen works well, it's quite sufficient and really good screen for this price range. Do not forget, you can also purchase the Chuwi HiPen H8 stylus with the support for 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity for extra $33. If you like to draw and do graphics, a stylus pen could be a great help to you. By opening the screen into the tablet mode and using the keyboard as a stand, this laptop works perfectly. If you want to watch Netflix in the bed, the keyboard is turned off, so there is no accidental touches. The bottom of the laptop is turned up and the drawers heat away from you, and the processor does not overheat on the surface. The screen is also quite pleasant for traditional office work. It's clean and easy to read, and I didn't get any fatigue using it for few hours at a time. Whether diving into complicated spreadsheets or indulging in a cinematic experience, this screen guarantees clarity and richness. The webcam is a 1-megapixel camera and frankly is not anything special. It's usable for occasional video calls, but don't expect too much from it. The keyboard provides 2-bit delightful assets. The backlit features it's particularly useful in dim lit environments, providing optimal visibility. The keys themselves offer a satisfying and comfortable journey, making the writing process pleasant and efficient. Despite lacking tilt or specific ergonomic design, the overall usability of the keyboard stands out positively. Complementing the exceptional keyboard, the touchpad is both spacious and highly responsive. Navigating through tasks and executing gestures becomes seamless and effortless, enhancing the user-friendly design of the laptop. Together, the well-crafted keyboard and the touchpad contribute to the enhanced typing and the interaction experience, making daily tasks as a breeze. Additionally, the keyboard backlight is commendable with 2 different brightness levels, making it must-have feature. Overall, the combination of well-designed keyboard and touchpad ensures a highly efficient and enjoyable user experience. The laptop features only 3 USB-C ports and a 3.5mm audio jack. Among the 3 USB-C ports, and 1 is USB 2.0, while it would have been nice to have the least 1 USB-A port. There is an easy solution for this limitation. For just $90, you can purchase the original Chuwi product, a Chuwi Hub USB-C multi-port adapter. This 6-in-1 USB-C hub allows you to connect your devices, a SD card and a TF card to a USB-C enabled device. Additionally, the compact hub lets you mirror your USB-C enabled device to HDMI, enabling you to enjoy 4K videos on the big screens effortlessly via the HDMI port. The FreeBook supports an upgrade to the Windows 11 OS, offering a more beautiful UI design, a brand new touch interaction mode, and even the ability to use these native Android apps like YouTube or TikTok, providing you with the ultimate user experience. Note that the FreeBook comes with a pre-installed Windows 11 Home. The start is quick and intuitive, and you can run the latest updates almost immediately after starting. Paired with a quad-core processor featuring 4 threads, 1.5 GHz base clock speed and a maximum speed of 2.8 GHz, along with the integrated UHD graphics, iGPU 350 MHz to 800 MHz. The FreeBook offers robust performance for multitasking, light gaming and web browsing. With 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 512GB SSD, it provides ample storage and ensures efficient multitasking. Additionally, it supports SSD expansion up to 1TB. This laptop is not designed to heavy gaming or video editing. Instead, it's perfect for reading, writing and general productivity tasks. The chip is more than sufficient for those purposes, offering excellent performance for web surfing. You will be able to play undermated games without any problems. The FreeBook is equipped with a 5000 mAh high-density polymer lithium battery, providing the 38 Wh power, coupled with a low-power processor and efficient system management. It achieves a battery life of 6 to 8 hours, ensuring worry-free use throughout the day. Moreover, it supports the mainstream PD fast charging protocol, offering high efficient and rapid charging. Overall, the FreeBook is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable device for productivity, media consumption and light gaming. Dual-band Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 offer fast and stable wireless connectivity for seamless online experience. Wi-Fi 6 is the fastest, more powerful, more reliable, more energy efficient compared to the Wi-Fi 5. The Chuwi FreeBook brings together a remarkable blend of compact design, robust performance and affordability. Its versatility as a 3-in-1 device allows users to easily adapt to their needs, whether they are on the go or at the home. With solid constructions and elegant aluminum housing, it's perfect companion even for a trip outside office or home. The Chuwi FreeBook N100 stands out as a formidable contender in the realm of modern devices. Acting as a personal high-tech assistant, it enables comfortable work and provides ample entertainment options. And with a 360 degree of freedom, you can flip the FreeBook all the way back to use this device for variety situations, and the tablet mode makes it easier to use this device for streaming shows, reading long-form articles or stories, drawing or whatever comes to your mind. Its 13.5-inch high-resolution screen offers user-friendly design, while its substantial storage capacity ensures that you can keep all your data in hand. So if you are in the market for a sleek, modern 2-in-1 yoga laptop that won't break the bank but still delivers a top-notch experience, the FreeBook N100 is the ultimate choice, and with a 360-degree folding option is an added bonus. It's not just a laptop, it's a statement that high tech and excellent quality of workmanship doesn't have to come with a high price tag. The official Chuwi sales links are below this video, be sure to visit it and get yourself a new laptop today at the affordable price while there is a chance. That will be all for now, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon with a new video review. Bye.